Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to make sushi, spicy tuna roll with avocado and jalapeno. This recipe is unique because I use canned tuna. For this recipe, you're going to need jalapeno, sugar, avocado, sriracha mayo, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sushi rice, nori seaweed, canned tuna, and salt. To boil water, put your rice in and then simmer it for 20 minutes. I have already done that here. Now that my rice is done boiling, I can now make a rice vinegar mixture to put inside of it. First, you put rice vinegar, then salt, and lastly, sugar. I mixed my ingredients together, so now I'm going to put it into my rice. You gotta mix your rice thoroughly, and after you're done mixing, you gotta let it cool down. In a bowl, mix in your sriracha mayo, sesame oil, and tuna. And then mix it well. Now that my rice is cooled and my tuna is mixed, we're going to begin rolling. To roll, you're going to need a sushi kit. My first step of rolling is I'm going to put my seaweed on. Then I'm going to continue as the kit says. And now I'm going to start putting my rice on. Once I have enough rice on, I'm going to start to spread it. Now that my rice is spread, I'm going to begin doing my tuna. You want to put the tuna in the center. Now that my tuna is done, I'm going to put on my avocado. Next step is jalapenos. Fun fact about these jalapenos, I grew these in my own backyard. Last step is to put some water on the exposed seaweed and you're ready to roll. Now you're ready to roll. You want to roll it pretty tight. Carefully unroll it. And now we're ready to cut. A helpful trick is to run your knife under warm water. This will allow slicing to be easier. And now carefully remove. The last step is to plate your sushi with soy sauce and ginger. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make spicy tuna with avocado and jalapeno, so can you. Time to eat. I'm hungry.